How long does drywall patch take to cure? Imagine fixing a hole in your wall and wondering when it will be ready for the next step. The curing time for drywall patches can feel like a waiting game, but knowing the facts helps you plan better. When you patch drywall, the type of compound you use makes a big difference. Thin layers of spackling compound dry quickly, often within 15 to 30 minutes, perfect for small holes or quick fixes. But for larger patches, most people use joint compound, also called drywall mud, which needs about 24 hours to fully dry and cure between coats. After applying the first coat of joint compound, you should wait around 24 hours before adding another coat. This drying time can shift depending on how thick the layer is, the room temperature, and humidity levels. Thicker applications take longer to dry, so patience is key here. Usually, you will need at least 2 coats of joint compound to smooth out the patch and blend it with the surrounding wall. Each coat needs about 24 hours to dry before you can sand and move on. Once the final coat is dry, you lightly sand the area to make it flush with the wall. After sanding, you can prime the patched spot, which takes a few hours to dry, then paint over it. If you are in a hurry, there are quickset or fast-drying joint compounds available. These can dry in as little as 20 to 60 minutes, but they often requiring mixing with water and working quickly before they harden. Environmental factors also play a role. High humidity or low temperatures slow down the drying process, so good ventilation and moderate warmth help speed things up. In real terms, completing a drywall patch with standard joint compound usually takes at least 2 days. This includes drying, sanding, priming, and painting. Using fast-setting compounds can cut this down to a few hours, but they are more challenging to work with. From the perspective of a home repair puzzle solver, this process is like a patience test. You fix the hole, then wait for the mud to dry, sand, wait again, and finally paint. Each step takes time, so rushing can lead to cracks or uneven finishes. The main point to remember is that drywall patch curing is a step-by-step process. Proper drying between coats ensures your wall looks smooth and lasts longer. Planning for at least 2 days makes sure your repair is solid and seamless once finished.